KMBC.org. St. Luke's Hospital is getting a pretty unique opportunity today.
Yeah, they're getting to scan an artifact for an upcoming exhibit. Matt Evans is live there this morning to explain.
Well, that's right. Yes, a patient more than 3,000 years old here at St. Luke's Hospital today, and a very famous patient at that. Queen Nefertari of Egypt, who was the wife of Pharaoh Ramses II back around 1200 BC or so. And Dr. Randall Thompson is going to be the one giving the remains of Queen Nefertari a CT scan today. First of all, Dr. Thompson, what's it like to get this opportunity, and what are you guys going to be looking for today?
Oh, it's great to get this opportunity. I worked with the museum curators in Egypt a couple of years ago, CT scanning their collection. Now we're going to CT scan Nefertari's remains, her knee, and we're hoping to learn something from that. We're using a 21st century instrument to look across the centuries at health and disease, to say something about this famous person, what kind of diseases she had, what her activity would have been like, and that kind of thing.
And this is not the first time you've done this here at St. Luke's. A couple of years ago, you all scanned some basket mummies that were found at the Kansas City Museum. Can you take us through what some of the results that you got from that? Are you expecting some similar results from this scan today?
Well, with Nefertari, we're looking specifically for some diseases that she had, and it's although her body parts have been studied before, this is the first time they've been on a high-end machine. We've got a state-of-the-art CT scanner we use for our cardiac patients here at St. Luke's, and that's what's exciting about it. We can see this with greater resolution and say more about it than we could have in the past. Now, you're right. A couple of years ago, we did CT scan the mummies from Union Station, the Kansas City Museum, and that was very interesting. There, we knew nothing about them. We were able to tell male versus female, the age. We're actually, by putting the team together, able to determine where those mummies came from. It's from a specific area near Lake Titicaca in Peru.
Yeah, and we're going to learn a lot probably about Queen Nefertari as well when this scan happens just a little bit later on this morning. One of the reasons this is happening is because Queen Nefertari's remains that'll be on display during an exhibit at the Nelson Atkins Museum, which opens next month. We're live in Kansas City this morning. Matt Evans, KMBC 9 News.
Very interesting.